So here are the before pictures. And here they have some of the new tiles getting ready to go. Again, this is the old roof that they're just about getting ready to tear off. Some slight discoloration. And you can see some of the tiles starting to pull up. This is about a 25-year-old roof with 20-year tiles on it, so it's about time. And here's the back of the roof before the new roof has been put on. Some of the corners and crevices of the old roof, you can see we had to split it down pretty good because water was starting to come in. We had it off for a year or two, but it's time to put a new roof on. We did a few bids and we decided to go with a.r.c, which is Albright Roofing Contractors. They weren't the least expensive, but they were the ones that included the most with the cost, and therefore, in my opinion, was the most cost effective. So if you live anywhere near the Hershey, Pennsylvania area, around them parts, go ahead and give them a call, if you wish. And as you'll see a little bit later, they did a very good job for us. So hopefully they can do the same for you. And so the process begins. Okay, I'm going to try to do a time lapse, since things have begun. Not sure how it's going to turn out, but we'll give it a shot. A roof on your residential home serves several essential functions, including weather protection, strength and stability, thermal insulation, sound insulation, fire resistance, and durability. The three main options for roofs are asphalt shingles, tile roofing, and metal roofing. Now there are some specialty roofing options like those new solar tiles and things like that, but again, those are very specialty type situations. Factors that determine what type of roofing is best include the slope and complexity of the roof, as well as the style of the house. You could also throw in like local climate and the cost of the different roofing options. And here it is all done. That looks good. A lot better than it did before anyway. Well, I hope this was interesting to you. It definitely was watching them to see how they did it. At least I think so. And as always, have a great day.